It's a busy day here at MilAero Electronics as employees work on producing specialized cable products, cables that are created right here in their warehouse in Dartmouth and shipped worldwide.
Well, for Nova Scotia, just because I wanted to live in Nova Scotia, is a great place to live. I'm originally from England and moved to Toronto, but when I moved out here with my old company, it was a great place to live and great people. So I decided to start up business here in the incubation centre, small business incubation here in Woodside Industrial Park, where we've been here for the last 10 years now. Well, there's a number of cables. I mean, everybody thinks cables is quite an easy little thing to put together, but there's a lot of challenges. There's what we call multi-core cables. It's got coaxial cable within a cable. A lot of different crimp tools, a lot of different processes to put it together, solder splicing, a lot of soldering, a lot of crimping.
Dealing with some of these cables required new testing technology, and with the help of the Productivity Investment Program, MilAero was able to purchase a state-of-the-art network analyzer.
So we've got the Agilent analyzer here, which we'll be using for measuring these high-frequency cables. First of all, you have to calibrate the device for the frequencies that we'll be testing these cables at.
Well, how it all started was basically we won a contract with a company called Raytheon Systems, Space Systems in Goleta, California. Raytheon is probably one of the largest defense companies in the world, and we were lucky enough to win a contract with Raytheon for some RF cables, and these RF cables are very minute, tiny cables, and they require a lot of testing, and part of the testing was an analyzer that basically measures the VISWAR and electrical testing of these particular cables.
And we can see the response on the display here from 50 megahertz out to 100 megahertz. I believe it makes us more versatile. I mean, I think before I joined the company, they used to farm out a lot of this testing, which obviously made it less efficient and more awkward, where they had to actually send it off-site and rely on somebody else doing the testing and and getting them back.
As for the future of MilAero, it seems they won't be slowing down anytime soon, as business picks up not just internationally, but local as well.
Well, some exciting times. As you know, there's the huge shipbuilding contract that's signed with the Irvins. For MilAero, we're not going to probably see any of that kind of work for maybe 3 or 4 years till the actual ships are built as far as the steel. But as soon as the systems of these ships become available and chosen by the Canadian government, I think there's going to be a big opportunity for companies like ourselves to tap into some of the work that will be needed, probably through an IRB, an industrial regional benefit, for that contract. So yeah, I think there's some exciting times ahead.
In Dartmouth, I'm Bill Barnaby for Eastlink Magazine.
Watch Eastlink Magazine. You'll be glad you did.
Eastlink Magazine, brought to you by Nova Scotia.